Google Flow Tools tutorial. Create your own AI tools step by step. Imagine being able to create your own AI powered tools without building a complex AI model from scratch. A tool that writes content, a tool that summarizes documents, a tool that analyzes customer feedback, a tool that generates code, or even an AI assistant designed specifically for your business. Now, just a few years ago, building these kinds of applications required machine learning expertise, large data sets, and expensive infrastructure. Today, Google Flow is making AI application development significantly more accessible. Whether you are a freelancer, entrepreneur, content creator, developer, or complete beginner, Google Flow can help you create AI powered workflows and tools using Google's latest AI models. Now, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Google Flow, from understanding the platform to actually building your first AI powered tool step by step. So let's get started. Now, before building anything, let's understand what Google Flow actually is. Google Flow is an AI creation and workflow platform which allows users to build intelligent applications and automated workflows powered by Google's AI technologies. Now, think of it as a bridge between AI models and real world applications. So instead of training an AI yourself, you use powerful existing models and connect them to workflows that solve specific problems. Now, examples include content generational tools, customer support assistance, research assistance, document analyzers, data processing workflows, business automation systems. The goal is pretty simple: take AI capabilities and turn them into useful tools. Now, many organizations are realizing that repetitive tasks consume enormous amounts of time. Examples include writing reports, answering common questions, processing different documents, analyzing different types of feedback, generating different types of marketing content, researching information. AI workflows automate much of this work. Benefits are going to include higher productivity, faster execution, reduced manual effort, consistent outputs, lower operational costs. This is why AI workflow platforms are growing rapidly. So, to start using Google Flow, you will need a Google account for yourself. Of course, for that, we're going to click on Create with Google Flow. Once we are here, you're going to choose any Google account that you want to go ahead with. And once signed in, access the Google AI ecosystem where Flow tools are available. So I'm going to click on Next. And of course, you're going to go ahead and make sure to agree with all these terms. And now we are here. Now, depending on Google's current rollout and available services, some features may require personal accounts, workspace accounts, developer access, or specific regional availability. So always check which features are currently available in your region. Now, when you first enter Google Flow, you will typically encounter several major sections. So we have projects, we have workflows, prompts, AI models, tools and integrations, testing environments, or even, at first, this can be quite overwhelming. But the concept is actually pretty simple. Every workflow follows the basic structure. You input, process, and output. So once you understand this, everything becomes so much easier. So let's say we're going to start with creating a new project. Now, once you click on New Project, you're going to go ahead and start accessing all of its features. Now, first of all, there is the tool section. Now, to create a tool, of course, you are going to want to have the upgraded plan set. Okay, without that, you will not be able to create one. So upgrade the plans and create a tool, and you can see the different tools you can create, like, creating mockups, then, exploring visuals for scene based on an initial location, simple sketches, shot explorer, etc. So you can go on ahead and use all of these different things to, pretty much create or, make your own bot. But what you can also do is you can work around with characters, you can work around with different scenes and prompt them to do different types of things for you. So as you can see, I want to, build and reuse characters for consistent videos. So I want to go ahead and work with this character, the wild card. Now, as you can see, it's generating a prompt for the wild card, a bipedal stop motion figure constructed from stacked hand polished obsidian. Now, as you can see, they start creating the character that I've given it. You can give the character info describing how the character adds. And while that is happening, you can check its voice.
Hi there.
So you can choose whatever voice you want.
Hi there.
Now, as you go on, let's say I want to go ahead and add this to my character. And look at that. So we have that as my character. And now you can pretty much go ahead and have it saved to use it for future purposes as you go on. Then there's actual scenes. Now in scenes, you can start creating new scenes, or you can drag and drop different types of media in the session to work along with it. So let's say I'm going to write something as simple as build a visual mood board. Now what that does is it creates that. Now Google Flow can be used to create content writing systems, research assistants, lead qualification tools, document analyzers, educational tutors, marketing assistants, and HR screening tools. The possibilities are almost endless, and the key is identifying repetitive tasks that AI can help automate. So, Google Flow makes it possible to transform AI capabilities into practice tools that solve real world methods. So, if you want to use it right now, do make sure to go ahead and start using it. And do let me know down in the comments below how the experience works for you. So, that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.